I've got the JBL Boombox 4, and today I'll be showing you how to connect it to your smartwatch. Okay, it could be an Apple Watch like this, or a Samsung Galaxy Watch, or any other type of watch that allows you to connect Bluetooth devices. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of your watch. Now for this Apple Watch, I'll just need to go to the main menu, go to settings. Under settings, I'll go quickly to Bluetooth, tap on that, and now it's scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to. So now what you need to do is put the JBL Boombox 4 in pairing mode. So just make sure it's on, press the pairing button, and with the speaker in pairing mode, now look for, you can see it right here, okay? So you wanna select it, it's been detected by my watch, and now it's connected. Simple as that, okay? And the light stops blinking, the pairing light. So now I can play music directly from my watch to the JBL Boombox 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.